I wonder how other girls are always able to look pretty, just look pretty. My own is always awkward. Am I the only one this happens to? My hair always gets stuck in this towel. Anyways, welcome to another video. Today I show you this new method I found to install my textured crochet locks. I might be saying this method is new when everybody is aware of it except me. Please tell me in the comment section if I'm being slow on this one, if I'm late to the party this time around. This is actually the second time I install these. I will show you in my next video how I install, maintain, and prep this hair for reinstall. I actually made them. I made this hair myself. I forgot to tell you that I got my mini braids done by somebody else. I just can't. I'm beginning to let somebody else take care of me because I can't share. This is how far I've gone with the install, and I like it. When I make these locks for sale, I add the marley hair needed for the wrap method. That is what I used for the first install. I could have gotten a different hair for this time, but I try to put myself in my client's shoes. If a client is reusing hair, that is generally because there is no money on ground. So they may not have the money to buy extra hair for this install. That is why I thought about this method. I thought about looking for a method, not that first method you know about, not that other method, which is very damaging for the hair because of the knots it has under. So I thought about this other method I saw from Paris Batonda. Let me show you how that works. This is handmade, so even amongst the strands, which are supposed to be of the same length, some are a little longer, I pick out those ones to use in front. I use a crochet. Make sure you open up the hook before inserting it. It avoids breakage. Once it is hooked to the loop of the crochet hair, I pull it to the other side. And instead of bringing in the end of the crochet hair like we used to do, I bring in my natural hair instead. This is enough to secure and keep the crochet hair in place. I am sure some of you don't even believe I'm a braider because the way I struggle doing my own hair, oh my god. I just sit sometimes, I watch my videos and I laugh at myself. From here, it is the same process as we used to do. I am just going to pull in my braid, this mini braid I did, in the lock to try to hide it, fit it in the lock as seamlessly as possible. If you didn't get it the first time, don't worry. I am going to show you how it works one more time. I really love this method because it is very tension free. The wrap method, it is true, looks very natural, but no matter how hard I try to do it, I always end up putting a little bit of tension on my scalp. The other method, that first method we used to do, is the worst. It grips my hair, it grips even the thin edges that I have, and the knot makes it heavy on my hair. So I prefer this method. I prefer how simple and easy it is to do, then the fact that it is also very gentle on the scalp. I wasn't very careful about hiding my hair in this log. Thank God the log is textured, so it is not that obvious. Let me show you how easy it is to take down with this method. You just find your natural hair, pull it out this way, and remove it from the bottom like this. I try to go closer in, but my fingers are too close together for you to see anything. So you're going to feel your hair right here, and you're just going to remove it, and the lock will just slide out naturally. Last time I did this, I had 43 mini braids, but this time I had somebody else do it for me, and I told her I had 50 lots in the house. She ended up doing 49 mini braids. I had to add more locks, and I decided to put in some color. I am not very sure about this burgundy. It's new. It's the first time I'm adding such a bright color to my hair. I wasn't really sure about it, but I can still change it after if I want to. That's the beauty of this. It's very easy to take down, so I could still change it. One thing I noticed about this method is that at the end of the day, your roots looks like this. There is a clear distinction between the lock and your natural hair, and also it kind of feels stiff because your hair is added to the lock, and it makes the structure of the hair harder. But at the end of the day, these are my results. I really enjoyed this. No pain at all. From day one, I had no pain. So tell me, what do you think about this method? Would you try it out? It's a yes for me. I'm definitely going to do this again. So let's call this a day. Like I always say, things are definitely going to get better for you soon. Take care. Bye.